Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the CastView streaming device. As you can see right here, it is basically how it works. You just basically connect it to your TV and then you can basically stream YouTube and a lot of different apps on your TV. So they're actually rated 3 points out of 5 stars here on Amazon, which only has 2 ratings. So they claim that it is a TV streaming device, crystal clear, practical design, portable, ensure high-speed transmission, easy to use, and let's actually read the reviews here. The only 2 reviews that it has. Hard settings, it's hard to set up. I prefer Google Chromecast, not compatible, hidden fees and more steps for setup than expected. And the only 2 reviews they have are bad. So let's head over here to malwaretips.com, and they say that it is basically CastView is a scam. So how it works is phase 1, crafting misleading social media ads, deceptive sales page, prevent research and upsell, refusing returns and ignoring complaints, and a lot more. So please do not buy this product. It is basically a scam. Google Chromecast is way better, so please do not buy this. It is basically the same price as Google Chromecast, so you should just buy that one instead of this one. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.